Have you ever wished you could set the size and position of your Visual Studio Code window just the way you like it? It can be a real hassle when your workspace isn't optimized for your needs. If that's you, stick around because today we're diving into how to set window size and position in Visual Studio Code. I totally get it. It's frustrating when your coding environment doesn't match your workflow. You're not alone in this. Many developers face the same issue. Finding the right setup can make a world of difference in your productivity. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is it possible to set the Visual Studio Code window size and position, either via settings, an extension, or some other method? This is a common concern, especially for those transitioning from editors like Atom. So, what are the options available for customizing your Visual Studio Code window? While VS Code doesn't have built-in settings for window size and position like Atom does, there are still ways to achieve this through extensions or by using some clever workarounds. And don't go anywhere. I have a fantastic tip at the end that will help you streamline your coding environment even further. To set the window size and position in Visual Studio Code, the user can utilize an extension called Window Size and Position. First, they need to install this extension from the Visual Studio Code Marketplace. After installing the extension, the user should configure the desired window size and position. This can be done by accessing the settings for the extension. Next, the user can create a command to apply these settings. This is done by adding a command to the keybindings file. Finally, the user can test the new settings by using the command they created. This will adjust the window size and position as specified. Fun fact, Visual Studio Code is built on the same framework as Electron, which powers many popular apps like Slack and Discord, so you're in good company. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution for setting the window size and position in Visual Studio Code on a Mac involves using an AppleScript snippet. This script allows you to specify the size and position of the VS Code window, making it particularly useful for recording screencasts. While this method is not a general solution, it works effectively for those who need to adjust the window specifically when recording. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. One user suggests a method similar to Atom for setting the window size and position in Visual Studio Code. They mention using a command to set the size to 1280 by 720 pixels and position it at coordinates 3750. They express hope that this feature can be adapted for VS Code. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. One alternative solution involves using the Developer Tools console in Visual Studio Code. First, open the Developer Tools by navigating to Help, then toggle Developer Tools and select the Console tab. Next, type the command window.resize to with your desired width and height, like 1900 and 1060, and press Enter. A user also noted some quirks on Ubuntu, mentioning that they had to maximize the window first, undock the developer tools, then unmaximize the window before entering the command. Now let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative approach shared by another user is to set the Visual Studio Code window to a maximized state. They suggest using the setting window.newWindowDimensions and assigning it the value maximized. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution provided by a user involves modifying the settings JSON file in Visual Studio Code. They suggest adding the line window.newWindowDimensions set to offset. This option allows new windows to open with an offset position, creating a slight gap from the last active window. Here's the tip I promised. Consider creating a workspace configuration file that saves your layout preferences. This way, every time you open VS Code, it can restore your preferred setup automatically. And there you have it. You now have the tools to customize your Visual Studio Code window size and position. Remember, a well-organized workspace can boost your productivity. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we explore even more VS Code features.